Welcome to Smart Explore Kids. Let's learn about construction vehicles. Here comes an excavator.
Yay! Excavators dig big holes and move heavy dirt with their long arm. They help start building by clearing the ground.
This is a bulldozer.
Yay! Bulldozers push soil, sand, and rocks with a big metal blade. They're strong and great at clearing paths.
Say hello to the backhoe loader.
Yay! Backhoe loaders dig with the back and scoop with the front. 2 tools in one. They're super helpful.
Look at the wheel loader.
Yay! Wheel loaders pick up and move things like dirt or gravel. They're fast and have a big bucket in front.
This is a skid steer loader.
Yay! Skid steer loaders are small and can turn in tiny spaces, perfect for jobs where big machines can't go.
Meet the motor grader.
Yay! Motor graders make roads smooth and level. They have a long blade in the middle.
That's a big dump truck.
Yay! Dump trucks carry and tip out sand, rocks, or soil. They go up and back to empty their load.
Here comes an articulated hauler.
Yay! Articulated haulers bend in the middle to drive on bumpy land. They carry heavy loads far away.
Look, it's a road roller.
Yay! Road rollers press the road flat with their heavy wheels. They make sure roads are strong and smooth.
Here comes a trencher.
Yay! Trenchers dig narrow ditches for pipes and wires. They're long and sharp like a cutting tool.
That's a tall tower crane.
Yay! Tower cranes are tall and help lift things up high. They build skyscrapers from way up top.
This is a mobile crane.
Yay! Mobile cranes move around easily and lift big loads. They're like strong arms on wheels.
Look at the crawler crane.
Yay! Crawler cranes move on tracks, not wheels. They're strong and steady for heavy lifting.
Here comes a concrete mixer truck.
Yay! Concrete mixer trucks mix concrete as they roll down the street. They spin all day to keep the mix soft.
This is a concrete pump truck.
Yay! Concrete pump trucks pump concrete to faraway places. Their long arms can reach high and wide.
Say hello to the forklift.
Yay! Forklifts lift and carry boxes in factories and stores. They have 2 metal arms like big forks.
That's a telehandler.
Yay! Telehandlers lift loads up high with a long moving arm. They work well on farms and construction sites.
Look at the scraper.
Yay! Scrapers scrape the ground and carry dirt away. They help flatten large lands fast.
Here comes a compactor.
Yay! Compactors press the ground down so it's firm and solid. They're noisy and heavy, but very helpful.
This is a track loader.
Yay!
Track loaders move on tracks and carry heavy things. They can dig, push, and lift.
Say hi to the drag-lined excavator.
Yay!
Dragline excavators have a huge bucket on a long rope. They dig deep holes, even underwater.
Look, it's a boom lift.
Yay!
Boom lifts help workers go up high safely. They stretch like a long arm in the sky.
Here comes a scissor lift.
Yay!
Scissor lifts go straight up like a rising table. They help fix lights and paint walls.
This is a mini excavator. Meet
Yay!
Mini excavators are small and easy to drive. They're perfect for digging in tight spots.
the tunnel boring machine.
Yay!
Tunnel boring machines drill deep tunnels through soil and rock. They're like underground giants carving paths below cities.
Great job, little builders! We saw so many powerful construction vehicles today. Keep exploring, keep building, and always stay curious about how things are made.